Happy Cinco de Mayo! We are going to make quesadillas today. We have our fun food journal for Cinco de Mayo. We are going to turn our page. Our first step is to look. We have to look for our ingredients. What do you see? I see tortillas. Where are the tortillas? We have tortillas. Our second ingredient is cheese. I see cheese. Our third ingredient is optional, but we have sour cream. I see sour cream. It is in a tub. Our fourth ingredient is shredded lettuce. I see shredded lettuce. We have it in a bowl already ready. Our fifth thing we need is a microwave. If you have a microwave, we're going to use a microwave today. And our sixth item is a plate. I see a plate. It is time to cook. We have to make our quesadillas. Our first step is to open our bags for our cheese. And we have to open our bag for tortillas. Open. Open. Our second step is to put cheese on our tortillas. We have to put cheese on our tortillas. We need 2 tortillas. 1, 2. One's gonna go on the plate and we'll put the other one aside. We have to take out our cheese and put on the quesadilla or flour tortilla. Spread it all around. Our cheese is all done. We can close the bag. Our tortilla is all done. We took our 2 out. We can close our bag. Now we have to put our second tortilla on top of our cheese. Push down. Our third step is to put our tortilla in the microwave. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds. We have to put our tortilla in the microwave. Open the microwave. Put in for 30 seconds and then go. The microwave is all done. We have to open the microwave and take out. We are going to take our quesadilla off the plate and put on a cutting board. We were going to use a knife. We need help when we use a knife. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Our knife is all done. We are going to put on sour cream on top of our quesadilla. We have to open our lid. We have our spoon. Take a little bit of sour cream and put on top. Our sour cream is all done. Our next step is to put our lettuce on top. We have our lettuce. We will put on top. Our lettuce is all done. You can put away. Our quesadilla is ready to eat. It's time to reflect on our recipe. What do we think? Take a bite. I think it was yummy, okay, or yucky. Issy, do you want to make a choice? Thank you. I think it was yummy. Yummy. What did we use? Our first question is, did we use milk or cheese? Izzy, say we used cheese. Our second question is, did we use a microwave today or a pan? We used a microwave. Our Cinco de Mayo recipe for a quesadilla is all done.